Steal away, steal away, steal away to Jesus. Steal away home. I got long to stay. I was walking in Savannah, past a church decayed and dim, and there slowly through the window came a plaintive funeral hymn. And a sympathy awakened, and a wonder quickly grew, till I found myself embarred in a little Negro pew. Out in front a young couple sat in sorrow, nearly wild. On the altar was a coffin, in the coffin was a child. Rose a sad old Negro preacher in a little wooden desk, with a manner grandly awkward, with a countenance grotesque. And he said, "Now, don't be weeping for this petty bit of clay, for the little boy who lived here, then gone and run away. He's doing very finely, and he appreciates your love, but his sure enough father want him in the large house up above. Now, he didn't give you that baby by 100,000 miles. He just thinks you need some sunshine, and he lent it for a while. And he let you love and keep it till your hearts was bigger grown. And these silver tears you're shedding is just interest on the loan. So my poor dejected mourners, let your hearts with Jesus rest, and don't go criticizing the one that knows the best. He's give us many comforts he has a right to take away. To the Lord be praised and glory, now and ever. Let us pray. My Lord calls me. He calls me by the thunder. The trumpet sounds within my soul. I got long to stay.